bullets. It's the only way to kill a werewolf.
Are you mad? We are ants to this creature.
Yes, but at least we stand a chance with a bullet.
I will not bet my life on bullets.
Have you thought about what you want for anniversary yet?
No, I'm not too fussed, to be honest. I've got to help my mum with some paperwork anyway.
I've got this new cookbook, Staying and Bake Together. That'd be fun.
Are you 5 or something?
But love is not being dragged through dirt. Love is 50-50 and nothing less.
Don't get what you give, then what is the point? We're not talking about love here, we're talking about a monster.
Time is on our friend, so we have to act fast.
What do you suggest?
As before, silver bullets. If you know something isn't working as much as it really
You only get us doing what you want. You never ask what I want.
I always ask you, and you never tell me. We don't talk enough.
I do tell you. You just can't be asked to hear me.
Nothing I ever do is good enough. I'm no better than these people that treat her badly. Come on then, kill me! Because I can't see another way forward. You took too long there, mate. Hey up, mate.
You're too busy thinking of what it is you've done wrong. Have you ever stopped to think it's her?
I don't want to talk about it right now.
If there's anyone deserving of a happy relationship, it's you, Gaz.
It's not important.
Just say it. You deserve better.
I don't know what I'm going to do tomorrow.
Oh, of course not. It's still today. No one really does. Look at it this way. If you're single tomorrow, I might know a girl who's looking for someone who plays guitar.
Yeah. I suppose that's one way of looking at it.
So what's stopping you?
You wouldn't believe me if I told you.
Gaz.
I'm being chased by a 50-foot werewolf. I've got an illegal gun with hardly any bullets. I've sprained my ankle. I'm nearly left for dead.